Introducing the skyVac Internal 78, ideal for heavy-duty high-access cleaning. This machine has two industrial motors delivering 2,600 watts of power and 7,166 litres per minute airflow, making it effective at keeping dust particles contained, stopping it from becoming airborne and drifting to lower surfaces. The 78-litre drum is mounted on a sturdy trolley with lockable wheels, making the vacuum easy to manoeuvre around locations and secure in place. Included as standard is the skyVac Internal 78 machine, a variety of brushes and tool holders, 5 filter bags, a skyVac pole and accessory bag, 38mm hose and a user manual, along with your choice of poles.